you can make your own powdered sugar in under a minute. Never buy it again, right? So you take 1 cup. This is pure cane sugar. You could use other sugars, like a date sugar. You won't have like a white powdered sugar. You could use a coconut sugar, you know, just whatever. Just use a sugar. And then 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, arrowroot powder, T Cornstarch, just the whiteness. And then you can do it in a blender or a food processor. You put the lid on and you'll just let it go. That's it, y'all. Oh, I should mention, it's gonna look like it's smoking, but just think about powdered sugar, how it just kind of flies everywhere. That's natural. That's it. Anyways, powdered sugar.